All right. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to just go over a little bit about what you see in Empower. Okay, so this is your home screen. All right, now this is a student. I've blacked out all the identifying information, but you'll have your student information up here in the corner um, that you'll be able to look at. Okay, and what you'll see is you'll see all the classes that you are enrolled in. Okay, so if you scroll down to a class, we're just going to go ahead and go to My Class. All right, now in order to see the activities for that class, you might think that you want to hit Class Log, but really what you want to do is you want to hit this plus sign here. So I'm going to hit this plus sign, it's going to drop down, and that's going to show you all of the activities for the class. Okay, so this is kind of where all of the activities are, and you can scroll through there and see all the ones that you've been assigned. Okay, and this will show you what's up next. What does Empower think that you should do next? And you can pin and unpin these to your window here. Okay, and then the other thing that you see here is you see this little icon. This is a nice little icon. You can click that, and that will allow you to discuss or type a message or post a comment for the entire class. Okay, so you type a note, you can attach a file, you can post your comment, you can even, if you want to, add a poll, which is kind of cool. So do you want to ask your classmates something pertaining to the art, like how many of you are working on drawing right now, so that way you can get some help from a classmate if you need to, or anything. You can have fun with it as long as we keep it school appropriate. Okay. So the other thing that you'll notice is you never really want to hit the back button in Empower. What you really want to do is you want to hit this big X over here, and that'll take you back to the screen there. Okay. So here's your activities. So then let's just go ahead and take a look at what will happen if I click on an activity. So I'm going to click on this activity, and it's going to bring up automatically probably your locker. Okay. Now to see what the goals for the exercise are, you click on tab 1. Okay, and then to see all of the things that you're supposed to do, they're housed in here. Okay, now I have another video that is way more in depth on how to actually look at activities and turn in activities. So this is just an overview. Now the other thing that I want you to look at and that you're going to maybe need to use is this target browser. Okay, so if you click on this target browser, it's a really cool tool. You can select visual arts because that's what you're in, and then go ahead and select high school, and then you can come down here and you can look, all right, what class am I in? So I am in VA1, which is creating, connecting, and responding. Okay, so if I want to see what any of these are, pay attention to the last number here. You'll see some of them are kind of repeating. All right, but the main thing is, all right, so for VA1 RE7, what am I doing? I'm perceiving and analyzing artistic work. All right, for VR8, I'm interpreting intent and meaning in artistic work. So you can look at any of these targets. When you click on one of them, it'll come up with these proficiency level mastery scales for you. Okay, and then each one of these is going to be different based on what the actual learning target is that you clicked on and what class you have. Now this is just a generic one for the arts, but eventually we're going to have more specific things on how to actually attain for in that particular skill. Okay, so more to come on that, but some of the classes, I know math and science and language arts, I believe they all have more accurate mastery scales. So if you're in those other classes, go ahead and take a look at those. Okay, and I think that is all I wanted to show you in this particular video. That is the basics of what you're going to be doing in Empower.